The impressive thing is how much power they make. They come from the factory with compound turbos. They're not twin turbos as most people call them. It's a smaller charger with a larger charger, which is technically compounds. Twin turbos would be one turbo on each exhaust manifold, which would be super cool, which not a lot of people have done. I've seen a few setups over the years, but so they come from the factory with compound turbos. They come with a really very simple high pressure common rail injection system. I can't say that I've ever seen a 6.4 injector fail, like just fail for no reason. Like 5.9 Cummins injectors fail, LB7 Duramax injectors fail, 6-liter Powerstroke injectors fail. I've never just had a customer come in with a 6.4 where we diagnosed it. It was just bad injectors for no reason. They're pretty simple design. They hold up really well. They'll make 800 horsepower with a stock injector with the right supply. So we used to do H&S Motorsports makes a really nice CP3 out of CP3 injection kit. So it uses a K16 injection pump in the valley of the motor. You piggyback off of that with a CP3 injection pump. You can make 800 horsepower with an aftermarket turbo or aftermarket set of compounds.